Sometimes in life you just need a simple solution to a really annoying problem, and this for me was my collapsible washing bowl that I picked up from the Amazon team. This is really awesome for a few reasons. One is collapsible, which makes it a lot smaller. So this is really handy if you just want to slip it into underneath your kitchen sink, into the shed, your cupboard, that kind of thing. It's just really slim. So it's a really convenient way to just store it away if you're a bit stuck on space, which I definitely am. And it also just does the job. All you have to do is press the bottom out and it pops right out. Look at that. And then you've got a really nice, simple washing up bowl. So projects I would use this for. So if I wanted to wash my kitchen floors or my bathroom floors on my hands with a scrubber, if I wanted to get right into all the corners, this would be really perfect. Just fill it up with my water and soap and use that with a sponge. Gardening projects, for if you're out there doing bits and pieces in the garden, you just want a small bowl that's going to be out of the way. Organising stuff, washing your fruits and vegetables, and just want to keep it out of the way, you can. It's just really handy and a million uses for this. So I've really chuffed to find it. So yes, wonderful little product, absolutely fab. Don't need more than one hand to use it, which is really great. Obviously you can also hook it up if you want to hook it up out of the way. What more do you need? It does exactly what you need it to do, and I'm absolutely thrilled to have it.